Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your WhatsApp profile. Okay, not WhatsApp profile picture, your WhatsApp profile. Now, WhatsApp profile is very important, especially if you're going to be building a brand on WhatsApp, especially if you want to make more sales on WhatsApp. Why are you doing this? Because a lot of people are going to be coming into your contacts, especially when you start doing business on WhatsApp. A lot of people will be coming into your contact list, and some of these people will be looking at your status. Okay, they'll be looking at your status to see what you sell, to see what kind of brand you are, and that is why it is important to have a a well-branded WhatsApp profile. Okay, because one, people take you more seriously when they see that you have a profile that relates to your brand, and at the same time people trust you more. Okay, and if they can trust you, if they can know you, if they can like you and trust you, you can make a lot of sale. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create or set up your WhatsApp profile so that people can actually see what you do, and with that they don't have to struggle with whether to pay you or not. They don't have to struggle with whether you're a real person or not. Okay, so I'll go into my WhatsApp right now and just show you how to set up your profile. All right, before I do that, I want to welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I am very glad to have you, and I'm saying welcome to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff, and I teach you things that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So if this is your first time of coming here, kindly do me a favor by supporting me. Okay, how do you do that? All you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, that is that. I believe you've done that. So quickly, let's jump into my WhatsApp and I'll show you how to set up your WhatsApp profile. Very, very important. So this is my WhatsApp here. All I need to do is to click on it, and then I'm going to go straight um, I'm going to go straight into my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp right now. All I need to do is to come to this three dot that you see on the top right. I'll click on it once. Okay, try and locate these three dots on WhatsApp. Click on it once and you're going to see settings. Click on settings, and when you click on settings, come to this top, the top here where you have your name. Click on it once. Okay, once you click on it once, you can see these are your details. These are the space for you to fill up your details. So if you want to do this already, you know that if you want to change your picture, all you need to do is to click on this. Okay, and then click on this pencil that you see on the top right. Click on it, and it is going to give you option to pick your picture from your gallery, and once you pick it, it's going to be updated here. But I'm not going to do that now because I love my picture the way it is. Okay, so let's go back. Now, if you want to change your cover photo, you can come to the left here. On the top left, you click on this pencil icon here. Click on it once, and it's going to give you option to pick your picture from either your profile picture, or you can edit it. Okay, I'm not going to do that because I love what I have here already. So let's go to the major thing of this video. So for you to change your name here, you can see mine is reading the Comic Man Studios. So to change that, you're going to come to the pencil icon that is at the left here. Click on it once. It's going to give you option to change the name. You can change it to whatever you want to change it to, and once you're satisfied, you come here and click OK. All right, so again, I won't change my own because I love it that way. So you're going to come here also and click on this part that says art and entertainment. Click on the pencil icon once again and change it to whatever business you are into. If your business is into if you're into vehicle service, if you're into apparel and clothing, if you're into art and entertainment, you just click the one you want, and you can actually have more than one if you like. But for me, I'm not doing that because I am just showing you this for the sake of this tutorial. All right, You can pick as many as you want. Now, the description section is the next part. Okay, the description section, you're going to click on the pencil icon once again, and then describe your business. Okay, describe your business. This business is about art. Okay, let's not use that one. Let's say on this, I teach you. Let's say I teach you. Let's just use one of my brand statements. I teach you how to make money online as an artist. Okay, good. Let's save this. All right, let's save this, but I can change it anytime I want, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just doing this. So you come here now. The next session is the part that says business address. You're going to click on the pencil icon once again, and then you're going to edit your address. You fix your address there. I'm going to say Lagos, Nigeria. I'm going to say Lagos, Nigeria. I'm going to say Lagos, Nigeria, and then I'll click on save. It's going to update that for me. All right, the next thing is to fix your business hours. Okay, fix your business hours. You can say okay, let's say Mondays 9 to 6 p.m., Tuesdays 9 to 6 p.m., Wednesdays 9 to 6 p.m., Thursdays 9 to 6 p.m., Fridays 9 to, now we want Fridays to be 9 to 4 p.m. Okay, let's leave it at 9 to 4 p.m. 9 to 4 p.m. Yes, we say okay. And then the next thing, if you're satisfied with that, you're going to just click save on the top right. You click on save, and it has been saved. Are you seeing this now? All right. So the next thing is your email. You're going to come to the pencil icon, click it once, and then you insert your email there. My email is what you see on the screen right now. So once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to click on save. All right. Once I click on save, the next thing is to insert my website. If you have a website, you insert your website here. If you don't have a website and you have social media accounts, you can actually use your social media account and insert it there. If you have a YouTube channel, you can insert your YouTube channel. All right, this is very easy. Okay, if you have a landing page to a product, okay, you have a product page that you want people to visit, you can actually add that product. Maybe you sell clothes, you sell fashion items, you sell fashion accessories, or maybe you offer a service and you have a landing page or a product page where people can see these things. You can add the link there. Okay, and not to forget, if you want to learn how to create a product page for your business and you want people to visit your product page, you want to have a product page that displays all of your products, go to the comment section and drop a comment there. I can help you do that, all right, for an affordable fee. Okay, it's not free, it's for an affordable fee. Okay, I can teach you how to do that, or I can do it for you. Okay, that's how to do that. You just have to fill in whatever you need to fill in here, the link to your website, or the link to your product page, or the link to your social media account. I believe you got that. If you're getting value from this, kindly like this video, subscribe to this video, and turn on your notification bell. All you need to do now is to save. Okay, once you save, now it's time for you to add pictures. You need to add pictures you need to add pictures of your product. Okay, so you can come here, click on it once. All right, and this is where you start adding pictures. If you offer a service, you can add screenshots of what people are saying about your business. You can add testimonials. Okay, you click on it once and it's going to open up where you have your gallery. All right, you click on it once and wait for it to load. Okay, wait for it to load. Now you can now add images here. Are you seeing this now? You click on you click on add image. It's going to ask you to pick it from your gallery, or maybe you want to take a picture directly, but it is good that you have your screenshots of your testimonials ready. Are you getting this before you come over here to do this? Now that's that. Then once you insert the image, you come here. Let's see if we can insert an image. Come here. and then you come here. I'm gonna pick this. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pick one of this. Let's see. I'm gonna pick one of this. Let's just put this here just for the sake of this tutorial. All right, let's leave it there, and I'm going to save it. Okay, it's not yet saved, it's not yet perfect. So you come here and title the job studio time. Let's just title this studio time. Okay, studio time. The next thing is you put the price. What's the price you want to put? And then you come here and talk about it. Okay, the description. And once you're done, all you need to do is to save. I'm not going to save for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to go back and discard. So that's just how to add your catalog. Are you getting it? If you sell fashion items, if you sell fashion accessories, this is a very good way for you to market yourself without even talking. Are you getting this now? This is a very good way for you to market yourself without talking. So the person that lands on your WhatsApp already knows that this person is a serious business person. So when they're talking to you, they know that they've already seen some part of your business before you even start talking. This can work for you. Okay, now let's go back. We have finished that, and once you're done with that, all you need to do is to everything is already saved. All you need to do is to leave the page by going back, and your profile is already set. Now this is how to set up your WhatsApp profile for your business. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, and don't forget to tap the notification bell. Why you're doing this is because when I post another video, you are going to be notified that I have published another video. Now, before I leave, let me give you this information for free. If you sell anything using your WhatsApp, maybe you sell a product or you sell a service and you're using WhatsApp to sell, and you're having issues with selling, you're having issues with getting clients, you're struggling to make sales, and you don't know what to do, go to the link in the description. I'm dropping a link for you there to a resource that will help you, a WhatsApp resource that will help you to learn more about how you can make sales on WhatsApp, how you can make sales using your WhatsApp. All you need to do to get access to that resource is to go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop it there for you. Okay, that's all I can take for this video right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.